So this boat's equipped with the joystick piloting system, which basically is a built-in autopilot. We've got the joystick, which you've seen how the joystick works when we're docking the boat. But also with this feature right here, it's an auto heading feature. So if I push that button, it's going to hold me right straight on this heading. Now when I did that, it's hard to see, but you may notice that inside of here, I've got a 10-degree arrow button pointing this way, and then 1-degree increments here for the heading. So if I take this joystick and I twist this one time, a little orange light goes there, it's going to turn me 10 degrees to port. Once it gets to that 10 degrees, it'll stop. If I want to go 10 degrees to starboard, I twist it to the right one time, and it's going to bring me back to starboard. If I want to go 20 degrees, I would just do it twice. So you can actually steer the boat using this. So when you're in a long minimum wake zone, just get the boat going, put your auto heading button right there, and then you can just adjust it from here. If 10 degrees is too much, you can just take this and push it over to the side. Each time you make contact with the side, it's going to be a 1-degree turn, whichever way you're pushing it. So if I go 1 degree to starboard right there, it's just going to move me over a little bit, because a lot of times 10 degrees may be too much. To take it off of the auto heading feature, all I have to do is push that button, then I'm back on my steering wheel. Or if I'm on here and I need to dodge something, or my natural reaction is to grab the steering wheel, as soon as I grab the steering wheel and give it a twist, turn it, that shuts off, and then I'm back in control at the wheel.